to listen to. No content for. Got the teats in the background. Pass. Puffy. Okay. Started a day in the life, but my phone is out of storage. But I'll show you what I've done since then. I cleaned the entire kitchen. I did these dishes, cleaned all the counters down, cleaned this, cleaned all of this. Now, the next task is laundry. We have an air drying rack, which is super nice because not everything gets dried, and it's nice to have a designated place. So most of this is mine. I'm gonna take it to my room and put it in the basket of clothes that needs to be folded. And then, okay, did a great job of getting the kitchen and the living room decently clean. Now it's time to focus on my room. It like smells dirty in here. Okay, so I'm gonna start with my bed, and then my laundry, and then my desk. Most of it is just stuff I need to return. But on the plus side, my bathroom is pretty clean. It's a good start. Okay, time to jam music and clean. Time lapse. Time to move to laundry. Just honestly, no one's favorite chore, right? Round 2 of laundry. Montage time. I'm so done. This is my PJ bin. This is my athletic bin. Okay, I'm on the floor because that's where I conduct all my official business. I am sending off my taxes. As in the state of Arkansas, you have to mail them in for the first time. Okay. Official writing space. I could do this at my desk, but it's dirty, which is why we're cleaning today. Keep this. One of these is my federal. I don't want to send that. Are you kidding me? Staple the state copy of each of your W-2s and 1099-Rs to the front of the return. Okay. Okay. Copy 1. Copy 2. It didn't print. Oh, I have it here. Wait. I did take a copy of this. I'm smart. Okay, copy. 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 Okay. Staple the state copy of each of your W-2s and 1099-Rs to the front of the return. And then mail the return. Recommendation for all who are watching. Buy a stapler. You'll want this at your house. It's like a simple $4, $5 purchase, but it comes in handy and it makes you look official. Next year I'm getting an accountant, an actual accountant. At the post office. Sign and date my return. Okay. Now I'm filling out loan paperwork to fill out 2 of the same documents, which is frustrating because it's for 2 different loans. I finished my mail and now I am looking at insulated waterproof rain jackets for Portland. I have a REI coupon that goes bad in 4 days, so I'm trying to get something on REI. This one's really cute, but this one looks really nice. It's by Marmot. Okay, it is 2:23. In the meantime, I have insured my car. I got a new car. I got a Subaru Outback. and it's just a lot of work to get a new car and expensive. But I'm really grateful to have a car that works and that is reliable, and fingers crossed that I can pay it off in a reasonable amount of time. Anyways, I need to do some filming now. I need to film for like an hour and get like 25 videos done, because I've made like 90 cents on TikTok in the month of March, and that is just not sustainable, and we need to increase that. We need to increase that a bit. So hopefully it goes well. I did lose my driver's license. Found that out. But I'm gonna film an ad for Parade, which is a sustainable underwear company that sent me 5 pairs of underwear, and I love them so much. They are so comfortable. I need to film for Silk Bags, which is a wearable sleeping bag. What the heck? It's amazing. And I have kind of almost cleaned off my desk, so I'm gonna do that. Okay, I filmed TikToks about what I wear in the summer while hiking. Gear I regret taking on a trip. Gear I was really glad I brought on a trip. Hikes in Moab, and my summer hiking essentials, I think. Anyways, my phone is dying, so it's charging. I kind of have a stomach ache and I'm not liking it, so I think I'm gonna watch a YouTube video and then make the TikTok about the underwear and the sleeping bag, and then maybe be done for the day. I've gotten a lot done, which is good. I have 5 TikToks drafted now, and I think that they're all gonna perform really well. I don't know though. But as far as like work goes, I haven't really had to do much today, which is why I'm off, kind of. When I'm off, it really means I'm on call, which means I like answer emails as they come in, if I deem them important. But I'm presenting at a conference tomorrow here in town, and debating on whether I need to go like test the setup. I don't think I do. I'm pretty confident in my ability to like do it the day of, but I don't know. I've entered in that room before, and I think I'm okay. I'm gonna say that and then not be okay. Anyways, that's the update. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna watch a YouTube video because my tummy hurts. I'm like a baby, but I know I'm not sick because I'm vaccinated. But one of our team members did have the flu recently, and so it could be the flu, but I did just eat something and then my stomach felt upset. I don't know. I'll keep you posted. Okay, so I have filmed some videos in the time being, hence why I'm in my sleeping bag, and now I am looking at my assistant's time log and checking out my YouTube channel. Bye-bye home. Here it looks like there wasn't a video uploaded yesterday, so I'm gonna text my assistant really quick. I might just upload my video. How about I know she's busy on Mondays and Tuesdays, and so she doesn't always get to it, but that's okay. Time to go on a run because it's sunny outside. One of the downsides of my Subaru is that my water bottle doesn't quite fit, so I have to put it in between my legs, which is kind of a bummer. Also, oh my gosh, thank goodness. I thought I lost my ID, but I found it. That, my ladies and gentlemen, is a win for the day. The fact that I found my license in my car just now. I've been stressing out all day about it, and now I don't have to because I found it. Also, I'm gonna snack on a Go Macro bar. This is in Smooth Sanctuary, the double chocolate and peanut butter chips flavor, and I'm a huge fan. I'm not a huge chocolate person, but I seem to really like this flavor a lot. Oh my gosh. Hello. It's really yummy, and it's like so good. I really hope the sun stays out, but it looks like it's really just about to go behind a cloud. I'm about to go from sunny to cloudy. There it goes. Just like I freaking predicted, the sun is gone. So is this Girl Micro Bar though. Well, your girl has to run 1,000 miles in 2021, and it's not gonna get any closer to 1,000 if it keeps getting cloudy. I'm gonna struggle in Portland. Ooh, okay, I'm gonna go on this run. I'm gonna run a mile, probably end it like 3 miles, but okay, I'll see you soon. So I just got done with my run, and it's sunny now. PR'd in my mile. I ran an 8:10, 8 minutes, 10 seconds mile, which is the fastest I've ran since high school. In the face, I felt like I was gonna throw up a few times, and after I finished my mile, one of our professors was walking down, because I'm running at my college. One of my professors was walking down, and as soon as I finished, like, bent over, and I was like, whoa, and like I felt like I was gonna throw up, and like he stopped, and I was like bent over, and then I like stand up after bending over for like 30 minutes, and he's like, not 30 minutes, 30 seconds, and he's like, are you okay? And I was like, yeah, I'm fine, sorry. So that was fun, but yeah, I think I'm just overwhelmed, and I don't know, like I don't know. It's so frustrating because like I don't know what to do, like and then I also had to figure out all this crap for my business to make it an LLC, and I just don't know what to do, and I don't have money to hire an accountant. I might take the $900 that I made from a brand deal and put that towards figuring it out and like working with an accountant. I know people who know people, and so it's not the finding people that's the tricky thing, it's the doing it. Yeah, anyways, that is my random post-run spiel blab. Anyways, I am going to hop on Instagram right now and check my stories and my messages, and then check my email because I'm waiting for an email from a brand. To listen to content for, got the teats in the background. Pass. I'm puffy.